Good evening, everyone. I am Manjula Pankhania, and I am a business consultant within the Skyway project. As you can see, this is a new revolution in transport. Why? Because it's going to bring a huge impact to our planet, to people, their life, and it's a complete new revolution in transport. And today we can be a co-owner of the company. I can be contacted on Facebook, Manjula Pankhania. I can be contacted on Skype, manjula.pankhania. This evening, we're here today with a group of other people training. We are training here tonight, training delivered by Sardinas, sorry Harry Sardinas. And what can I say about his training is absolutely very invaluable piece of information that I've received this evening, along with the other people as well here in the group that we're learning. What have I learned so far this evening? I've learned to stand straight, I've learned how to do my hands, and I've learned the three most important thing is the vocal, the voice, the command, the wisdom and the heart, how to talk with the audience, how to engage with the audience. And in these 2 hours, I feel like I've got so much confidence in his teaching, in his learning, that I think anybody that wants to be a leader should definitely attend his training. If you need more information, do contact me. Thank you, Harry.